Hi guys, how you doing? Wasn't really planning on doing anything with the car today, but I had a few extra minutes and just wanted to get the carrier bearings put on, get that done and out of the way, and I thought it would make for a quick, short video. Um, I threw it in the deep freezer a couple days ago, and so it's been in there for a while, getting good and cold. We're just going to heat up the carrier bearings and put them on without even using the press. Just using an electric skillet. So normally I just crank it up all the way to 400 degrees and let them set for a few minutes and pop them on. You'll just wait till the frost, you'll look down inside the bearing and you'll see the frost disappear. And as soon as that frost is gone, pretty much, the bearing's not coming back off. So, and just flip it over, do the other side, and you're all good to go. We're going to do this in the house today. It's a little bit cool outside, and I don't feel like walking from in the house with the carrier out here and letting it warm up. So don't tell the wife. She's at work. She doesn't want to know anyway. And hell, I'm the one that does all the cooking. What'd she care? Let's get to it.